Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ewelina and welcome to another Polish lesson. Today's lesson is brought to you from my car. We're social distancing. So I have prepared, I thought maybe, just maybe, you want to learn some Polish because you're bored sitting in your house, or maybe improve your Polish. So anyways, today I prepared many expressions like, I have my notes in here. That's why I'm looking down. Like patient and loving and gentle and humble and appreciative. And we are going to learn together. And actually, when I was putting them all on the paper, I was like, this kind of sounds like a dating site profile description. I am loving and humble and hardworking. Anyways, we're just going to jump right into it. And we're going to start from kind. So kind in Polish, you say miły. 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 A girl would be miła. 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 Miły, miła, or you can say be kind, which is bądź miły. Bądź miły or bądź miła. Miły, miła. Okay. Next one is honest. And honest in Polish, you say, this one is a hard one. Uczciwy. 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 A girl, uczciwa. Uczciwa. And you can say be honest, which is bądź uczciwy. Bądź uczciwy. Or bądź uczciwa. Next one we got, well, I'm going to teach you how to say patience. And patience in Polish you say CIERPLIWOŚ. 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 CIERPLIWOść. Cierpliwość. Now, patient is cierpliwy. 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 A girl, cierpliwa. 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 And then you can say bądź cierpliwy, bądź cierpliwa, be patient. Okay, next one is calm. Calm, in Polish you say spokojny. 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 Or spokojna. Next I have loving. And loving in Polish you say kochający. 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 Or a girl, kochająca. Kochający, kochająca. Next one I got gentle. Be gentle. Gentle in Polish you say delikatny. 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 Girl, delikatna. Delikatna. Or you can say be gentle. Bądź delikatny. Or bądź delikatna if it's a girl. Next one I got humble. Humble in Polish you say pokorny. 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 And girl is pokorna. Pokorna. And then if you like to say be humble, bądź pokorny. or bądź pokorna. Next one, appreciative. Appreciative is doceniający. 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 And a girl, doceniająca. Doceniająca. Next one we got warm, because we love warm people, right? I do. Warm is ciepły. 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 A girl? Ciepła. Ciepła. Tolerant, because we all love tolerant people, right? So tolerant in Polish, you say tolerancyjny. 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 And a girl is tolerancyjna. Tolerancyjna. In be, bądź tolerancyjny. Be tolerant. Bądź tolerancyjny. Okay, what do I have? Trustworthy. Trustworthy in Polish, you say godny zaufania. Godny zaufania. Godny zaufania. Godny zaufania. Godny zaufania. On, he's trustworthy. On jest godny zaufania. On jest godny zaufania. Or she, ona jest godna zaufania. Ona jest godna zaufania. Like you can trust them. Możesz jej zaufać. Okay, next one I got wise. Wise in Polish you say mądry. 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 On jest mądry. Or ona jest mądra. Mądra. Mądry. Mądra. Or you can say, yeah. Mądra or mądra. And then true or real. Like a person is real. You would say prawdziwy. 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 Like real or true. Prawdziwy. And the girl would be prawdziwa. 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 And then helpful. Helpful, you say pomocny. 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 Or a girl is pomocna. 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 Pomocny. Pomocna. Respectful. We all want to have people around us that are respectful. And in Polish you say PEŁEN szacunku. PEŁEN, kind of like full of respect. PEŁEN szacunku. PEŁEN szacunku. Szacunku. PEŁEN szacunku. PEŁEN szacunku. On jest pełen szacunku, like he's respectful. What else? That's all I have. Actually, I thought I have a little bit more, but this will keep you busy because those are not easy. And that's about it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, notification, and yeah, I hope you're staying safe and healthy at the house and learning a new language like this one. This is a crazy language. If this is the first video you see of me, you pick the crazy language to learn, I tell you. But other than that, I'm gonna go and see you guys later. Buziaki, całusy I do zobaczenia w następnym filmiku. W następnym tygodniu. W sumie sama nie wiem kiedy. Bye. Cześć.